Hi, good morning, students. I think now you are in better zone, living in better zone, and today I am going to apprise or say something that you have get so much feedback from our online classes. All the teachers are laboring so much hard here, but after all, it depends on you how much you are putting efforts on that very things. So I will always suggest you that you should do the thing nicely and honestly in order that you could grasp the thing nicely, and in the new when you start a new lesson you will able to learn it nicely. If you not go through your things nicely, or you not recall the old thing, it is not possible to understand the things. So you should always do your work in the copy also, and honestly you have to done all the things. Now today I am going to apprise about the modals for class 10, and the modals topic is ought to. Generally you know that how ought to is used. You know that it ought to and should both have similar sense, but what happens, should is used frequently but ought is not used frequently. In other words, that the sound of ought to is more in comparison to should, it is not looking so better, but the should is not. But in case of should, you know that the sound of should is more better in comparison to ought to. So you use frequently should in case of ought to. Now the second thing is that in ought to you have know that it is mainly used in the present form, and second in ought to, in case of ought to, you have to think that sometimes it acts as it is a semi-modals. That means sometimes it acts as the main verb and sometimes it acts as a modals verb. You can better understand through this example. I ought to phone my parents. Here you can see that in case of I ought to phone my parents, the ought is here act as a main verb it is. And see, ought to eat less oil to reduce sulfur. That means here you are in the modals form. The main verb is eat. So better you can understand, distinguish that how ought to is used in sometimes in the main verb, sometimes as a modals verb. Generally what happens in ought to, in case of ought to, after subject ought to comes and before the main verb. You can understand with this example. See, ought to eat less oil to reduce her weight. That means after see, ought to you hear that eat less oil to reduce her fat. That means after subject you know that verb has come and ought to is come before the main verb. The main verb is eat. So from this example you can understand what is the difference and where it is used in ought to. Now the different forms of ought to used in different sentences, how it will utilize, you can better understand. In case of obligation or disability, we ought to love our neighbors. That means it is our duty, it is our duty that we should always have the neighbors. Second, in case of Ram ought to get promotion. That means it is known that he is doing very well and he deserves it. So in case of you know that desirability, Ram ought to get promotion. Since he deserves it, he is doing well in his work. In case of probability, the prices of domestic gas ought to come down soon. That means after some time the prices of domestic gas would come soon, inasmuch as you know the rate of oil in the whole world where it is coming from, it is reducing day by day, and particularly in Gulf country, in all the American, Russian, where it is coming from, the prices is going very down. So naturally the rate is going less. We ought to receive corona package tonight. That means it is probability. It is you are expected that since you are facing a corona problem this time, you have so much problem, you have no money, all the times you are living in the house. So we are expecting from the government that he will announce some package for us. Third, in case of recommendation, you ought to stop smoking. That means when doctor or anybody suggests, suppose if you are getting ill and you are not taking properly your medicine, at that time the doctor recommends you to not smoke. That means it is harmful to you. So in case of recommendation, ought to is also utilized. In case of advice, when it is suggested that something is necessary, that means when anything is very necessary for doing, in that time ought to is used. You can better understand with this example. we ought to revise your lesson. That means it is compulsory that you should revise. I always remind you that you should revise your lesson, you should recall your lesson in as much as if you are going to do some new things, you are able to understand. If you are not revise your lesson properly, at that time you feel that you are not getting proper, you are not able to understand the things properly. So she has fatty body, she ought to exercise more. That means when somebody is fatty, she is fatty means she gets so much weight by eating such type of foods like fast food, oily foods. So she needs so much exercise for doing, for reducing his fat. It is better to do so much exercise. So after that, where ought not to is used. It is the negative form of ought. You know that it is the negative form of ought to. So it advises against doing something. Suppose if you are prohibited, to doing anything, in that very case ought not is used. But generally what happens in the negative form, to is not after ought. In the general form you have seen that after ought to is used, but in the negative form when you are prohibited or when you are prohibited to do anything, in that very case ought not, after that to is not used. Better you can understand with this example. He ought not smoke so much. That means he is prohibited, he is advised not to smoke so much, in as much as it is harmful to us. Sometimes some cough is also happened there. So in the next video I will give some assignment works. Do all the things nicely. Thank you.